everyone, this is Annabelle here at Mom's in the Kusina sa America, and today I'm actually in my deck in the backyard since it's really nice here, and we are doing a fresh papaya salad o yung achara. And so we have a green papaya, shredded carrot, and then red bell pepper and some sweet chili sauce, and then our tamarind paste and some fish sauce, and of course the red chili pepper. So we're making our fresh salad today. All right, so now we're gonna mix first our sauce. So we have the fish sauce, and I have the exact measurement on my video. And then now we're adding the tamarind, and our chili sweet sauce, then now our red chili pepper, and we'll go ahead and mix this. It's very simple, guys. It's fresh, it's nice, and you can have seafood with this. We're actually doing lobster today, grilled lobster. Okay, so now what we have here, we have our green papaya, and we'll go ahead and mix our carrot and our red bell pepper. Just cut them julienne cut or shred it, and then we'll toss this. Move all this here. No need for salt because we're using fish sauce. Yeah, see, it's just like achara. But it's fresh, and we don't have to wait a week to eat this. So toss it. Toss. Now we can add our sauce here that we just mixed. And mix it. Yay, it's very colorful. Okay, so now we're make sure that all the sauces in our papaya salad. Yay! This is actually 4 cups of fresh papaya, and now it's all mixed. Go ahead and try this. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's good. Fresh. I brought a bit of that spicy. I'll go ahead and move it in here in the smaller bowl. Crunchy. And it's actually our lobster. So I'm gonna show you guys how to grill that lobster today. And we have our fresh papaya salad on the side. Yay! That's it. Okay, so our papaya fresh salad is ready, and now we're gonna grill our lobster. I just cut this into small in the middle, and all we're gonna use is just natural, just sea salt. You don't want to put too much flavor or too much ingredients on your lobster. Just a little bit of sea salt, It's getting dark here now. Okay, there you go. A little sea salt, and then we'll put a garlic powder, just a little bit too. Okay, a little bit of ground black pepper. And we might use butter with this, so they don't get dry in the grill. Alright, so let's go ahead and grill this lobster. Alright, so our grill is ready, and we'll go ahead and start grilling our lobster. So you want to use the bottom where the shell is, of course, and that would prevent for overcooking your lobster. And if it's getting a little bit dry, you can use butter, like I said. So I'm melting some butter right now, and I'm going to put some butter on that lobster. All right, I'll show you guys next. This is my mini kitchen, burner outside, where I cook you know, or fry my fish, things like that. And it's really beautiful here. It's beautiful weather. Okay, so the lobster is still cooking, and I'm about to get the melted butter. So we have almost, our lobster is almost done. So you want to put a little bit of butter here, so doesn't get dry. Yay, I can't wait to eat this with fresh papaya salad. So I just melt this butter in the microwave. I put the temperature in medium, so you don't overcook your lobster. So maybe about 10 more minutes here, and this is pretty much done. Alright, so our lobster is now cooked. We'll go ahead and turn the burner, the grill off. Look at that. Yes, so we'll get all this lobster here. Like I said, I cut this to small pieces. Usually my lobster, you just cut it in half, you know, but it's faster to cook. Yay, and still juicy. Looks really juicy because of the butter. So we have our fresh papaya salad is ready. Just want to show you guys. Ooh, this is so fresh, healthy. Yeah, so you can eat this with rice if you want. I don't know whether I get a rice today, but I think I'm just gonna eat just the lobster and papaya. Yes. Guys, so thank you for watching my first summer grilling. That's my fresh papaya salad with lobster.